I'm back at Anand's place in the Melbourne suburb of Mulgrave. Now, everything about this place screamed retro, and that was actually part of the problem. I just hope the two Bs have managed to eradicate all signs of bad taste. And this isn't a bad start. Good to see the front yard has gone from bare to beautiful. Nice new green turf and some clever planting immediately gives this house some real street appeal. This porch area has gone from dingy to delightful, style to perfection, Charlie. I'm not sure where to start with the lounge room, but the word diabolical comes to mind. We've said goodbye to the peach carpet and dreary furniture. Much, much better now. The kitchen was clearly outdated and a tunnel very unappealing, but this transformation is incredible. Open plan with new cabinetry, bench tops and appliances. What's not to love? I'm still reeling from the decor in this dining room. Dark, dingy and quite frankly dismal. What a change! So much light, lovely styling and new flooring to top it all off. The master bedroom had an air of dungeon to it, but the blaze has managed to transform this room into a complete oasis. Crimson curtains pretty much dominated this entire living space, so these modern window treatments are a real breath of fresh air. Well, this place has been completely transformed thanks to my people. This is now a lovely suburban home fit for a big family. Let's get it on the market.